Today I shall start question number 5 of exercise 8.1. It is given that sec theta equal to 13 by 12 and calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So ABC is a right triangle. This angle A I have assumed theta. Okay. Now sec theta equal to 13 by 12, that is 13k by 12k. Sec theta equal to h by b. So from this respective angle, this is p, opposite side this is b and this is h. So h by b. Okay. And now BC you have to take out. Since triangle ABC is a right triangle, show by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So 12k square plus BC square equal to 13k square. So this is 144k square plus BC square equal to 169k square. So BC square equal to 169 minus 144k square, that is 25k square, and BC equal to square root of 25k square, that is 5k. Now sin theta. Sin theta equal to P by H. So BC by AC, that is 5k by 13k, 5 by 13. And cos theta equal to B by H. So B equal to AB and by AC. 12k by 13k, 12 by 13. And tan theta equal to P by B. So BC by AB. 5k by 12k, 5 by 12. Now cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So you write down here 13 by 5. Just reverse. Reciprocal. And sec theta, cot theta equal to converse reciprocal of tan theta, so it is 12 by 5. Okay. Now come to the question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. For this you draw two right triangles APQ and BMN, where angle A and angle B are acute angle, means less than 90 degree. Let triangle APQ and triangle BMN are two right triangles where angle A and angle B are acute angles. Show cos A equal to cos B, it is given. In this triangle, cos A equal to AP by AQ, base by hypotenuse, and cos B for this triangle, cos B equal to BM by BN, base by hypotenuse. Now this AQ and BM, you by cross multiplication you can change it. So AP by BM equal to AQ by BN, means these two terms can be changed by cross multiplication process. Equal to K, suppose. Now you take it equation number 1. Using Pythagoras theorem, you take out PQ. PQ square equal to AQ square minus AP square, and here MN square equal to BN square minus BM square using Pythagoras theorem. So I have written here PQ square equal to AQ square minus AP square, that is PQ equal to root under AQ square minus AP square, and Mn square equal to Bn square minus Bm square. So Mn equal to root under Bn square minus Bm square. Now you divide these two. PQ by Mn equal to whatever you have got, you write here. And look here, AQ square equal to AQ, here you look, AQ equal to K into Bn. So you can write AQ square equal to K square Bn square, and AP square equal to K into Bm by cross multiplication. So I have written here K square Bn square and AP square equal to K square Bm square, and denominator no change. Now take common K square, so Bn square minus Bm square by this, and these both are same, so this cancel, and K square and you root under K square equal to K. Okay. So Bn square, show PQ by Mn equal to K, because these and these are cancelled. This is equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we got AP by Bm equal to AQ by Bn equal to PQ by Mn, because equal to constant term K. Show by SSA similarity criterion triangle APQ similar triangle BMN. Show angle A equal to angle B by CPST. So it is proved. Okay. Now question number 7. If cot theta equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now, and second question is cot square theta. So ABC is a right triangle. This angle is theta. Cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Same thing I have repeated, 7k by 8k. So cot equal to B by P. So this is B and this is P. 7k, 8k. Now take out AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, that is 7k square plus 8k square equal to AC square. 49k square plus 64k square equal to AC square. So after adding we get 113k square equal to AC square. So AC equal to k root 113. Now question is, this is the question. A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. 1 square minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta and here 1 minus cos square theta. Now sin theta equal to P by 8. So 8k by 8 by root under 113. And here square and 1 minus 7k by k into 113 square. So 1 minus 8 square is 64 and this k all cancel and root under 113 square is 113 and here 1 minus 49 by 113. Now after calculation it is 113 minus 64 by 113 minus 49 and after subtraction we get 49 by 64. Answer. Second question is cot theta square. Cot theta equal to 7 by 8. So cot square theta equal to 7 by 8 square. So it is 49 by 64 answer. Now next question. Same type of question all are 3 cot A equal to 4. So check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Now draw a triangle ABC. This angle is A. 3 cot A equal to 4. So cot A equal to 4 by 3. That is 4k by 3k. Cot equal to B by P. So this is B, this is P. This is 4k, this is 3k. By Pythagoras theorem, we can take out AC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So 4k square plus 3k whole square. That is 16k square plus 9k square. And after adding we get 25k square. So AC equal to 5k. Now LHS equal to left hand side equal to, I have drawn the figure again, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus P by P from this respective angle A, this is P, this is B. So 3k by 4k square and here 1 plus 3k by 4k whole square. 1 minus 9 by 16 because k cancel, 1 plus 9 by 16. 16 is the LCM of both numerator and denominator and they cancel. So here 16 minus 9, here 16 plus 9. That is 7 plus 7 by 25. And right hand side is cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A, cos A equal to B by 8. So 4k by 5k whole square minus 3k by 5k whole square. After calculation we get 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25, that is 7 by 25. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So yes, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay.